What is the correct treatment for checks issued during the last 2 months which have not appeared on the bank statement as at the date of reconciliation? Okay, so we are doing a bank reconciliation statement and we realize that there are some two checks that have not appeared on the bank statement. Now, if these two checks have not appeared on the bank statement, it could either be because they have been uncredited or they have just not been presented, meaning they are unpresented checks. Uncredited checks, these are checks that you have received, you have given to the bank, but the bank has just not yet credited your account. And unpresented checks, these are checks that you have issued out to your suppliers or whoever, and they've just not yet deducted the money from your account. Uncredited checks and unpresented checks are handled in the bank reconciliation statement. This is where they are handled. So let's see. A should be written back in the cash book? No. Should be included in the bank reconciliation statement? Yes. So the answer is B. Let's look at some others. Should be cancelled? No. Should be included as accruals in the balance sheet? No. So the answer is B. They are included in the bank reconciliation statement. What do we put in the cash book? In the cash book, we include items that have been, items that appear in the bank statement but were not included in the cash book. Those are the ones we put in the cash book. That's one. And then two, also in the cash book, we include errors that were, errors in the cash book are also corrected in the adjusted cash book. Yeah, that's what we do in the cash book. So the answer here is B. These uncredited checks and unpresented checks, think of them as pending transactions. Pending transactions. The checks could either go through or they could be bounced.